Today we're looking at the HEROWeen crafty advent calendar surprise box. I don't know what to call it, from Hero Art. Hi everyone, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. If you remember, last year Spellbinders had the HEROWeen box, which was very similar to what this box is. The HEROWeen box from Spellbinders included 13 die sets plus one 4x6 stamp set with sentiments that went perfectly well with the dies in the HEROWeen box. The HEROWeen box sold out, I don't know, like in a couple of days. Maybe it even sold out in a couple of hours. I don't remember. I just remember that it sold out super quickly, and many of you were frustrated because you couldn't get that box. Now, Spellbinders doesn't have a HEROWeen or a Halloween box this year. In fact, Spellbinders also does not have the 12 days of Stitchmas. There's only going to be one advent calendar from Spellbinders this year, the crafty advent calendar, and I believe that calendar goes on sale on August 27th, but I might be wrong. So check the video description for the exact date for that box. And if you're a club member, chances are you will probably get early access. I don't know yet because I am filming this a little bit ahead of time, but usually that's what Spellbinders does. So maybe that would be the case. Now the HEROWeen box, it is packed with wonderful goodies. Now before we look at the box, I also wanted to talk a little bit more about the Spellbinders HEROWeen box to kind of, show you what you can make. I basically found my cards that I created with a Spellbinders HEROWeen box, and I wanted to show you those cards just so you know, like, this is not what will come in this box. And in fact, I don't really know what's included in this box, but I just wanted to show you what was included in the Spellbinders box to give you kind of an idea of what you can sort of expect in the HEROWeen Hero Arts box. So these are some of the cards that I created. This one's actually a wobbler, and I do have videos for each of these. I did actually do 13 videos last year for all of the, for every day of the HEROWeen box with Spellbinders. I don't have all of the 13 cards. I don't know what happened to them, but I do have most of them. And you can kind of see what kind of cards you can create. As you can see, I have the die cut and then I have a sentiment. So there's a stamp sentiment that goes along with each of the die cuts. And, you can have a lot of fun with these. Make quick and easy cards or go all out and create elaborate cards with lots of layers and all of that. The reason I'm showing you that is because I feel this HEROWeen box is going to be kind of similar. So what is the HEROWeen box? First of all, let's look at the size of the box. It's, if memory serves me right, this is probably the same size as the Spellbinders HEROWeen box. Now I do have some other boxes from Spellbinders to show you, to give you an idea of the size, because maybe you already have some other boxes in your stash. So you can kind of compare the size of this box to the other boxes, because I know it's always kind of hard to see and identify the size of the box from looking at it on the screen. So here I have the Just at Cake birthday card making kit that's launched in March of this year. In fact, you can still buy this kit. It's still available. So the HEROWeen box is, as you can see, slightly smaller than the Just at Cake. It's a little bit smaller. It's about the same thickness, right? But it's just a little bit smaller than the birthday box. I also have the Weekender box. So if you have the Weekender box from this year, the HEROWeen box is about half the size. Dear Santa card making kit box. This is the exclusive limited edition mega card making kit from Spellbinders from this year. So again, the HEROWeen box is about half the size of that box. So if you have other boxes from Spellbinders in your stash, that should give you an idea of the size of the HEROWeen box. Now let's go ahead and, look at the box. Now today, I can't actually open the box and show you what's inside, but I can share my excitement about the box itself and give you some hints and, tips and tricks, I guess, about what you can expect from this box. So this is what it looks like on the side. We have Hero Art, Trick or Treat Yourself. Love that. And we have pretty packaging, pretty design on the sides. Now next I'm going to flip it to the back and voila, we have a little sneak peek. Isn't that awesome? Okay, I love it. So let's read what it says here. Unwrap 13 days of crafty treats. This playful collection of stamps and dies is thoughtfully designed to mix, match, and layer, making it easy to create playful Halloween scenes, cards, and tags. Includes 2 Stampin' Cuts, and I'm kind of looking at the cards here, and I'm envisioning that the sentiments like the spooky wishes, boo, happy Halloween, you're scary sweet, that's probably included in those 2 Stampin' Cuts. So it's basically a stamp set with the coordinating dies, and I bet those are sentiments that you can cut out to complete your scenes. There are also 11 die sets, so that's pretty neat. The Spellbinders Craftoween Advent Calendar had 13 die sets, and they were all pretty, decent size, as you just saw in the cards that I showed you. So I bet the dies in this box are probably of the same size. There's also 1 stamp set that is 4 by 6, so it's the usual size stamp set. And I'm also pretty sure that that includes sentiments. I think I have another sneak peek image for you guys because I remember seeing one. So if I can find it, I'll pop it on the screen for you so you can see hopefully a little sneak of that stamp set. And then we have 1 embellishment pack. So I don't know what the embellishment pack is, but I'm looking at this card. And I see that there are like little stars, like little black stars. I don't know if those are stamped or maybe those are the embellishments. I have no idea. But if we look closely at the sneak peek, we have this die to die cut a little bag. So that's what we have here. We have a ghost, we have a cat, we have a spooky tree. That's what's been cut here. We have a flying, a bat. There's also this is probably a spider. Then this is a ghost, a pumpkin. What else do we have? Well, we have another big ghost, a cat dressed as a witch, a jack-o'-lantern, and some treats, and other things. So to me, this seems like a pretty fun box, and I cannot wait to dive in and start creating. I wonder if I can cut this open and peek inside. I should not be showing you the contents, but if I can, I'll show you like a little more. So when you open it, oh my gosh, look at this. HEROWeen 13 days of crafty treats, hero art. And I'm not gonna go any further because I can see that stamp set is like right at the top, and I can see the products inside. So I'm not gonna show you those because I can't show them just yet. You'll have to wait until, I believe, September 7th is when we will start showing you the contents of the box, and hopefully you'll start to see some projects. I'm personally very excited about the box, and my goal is to create something with the products inside because I love Halloween. I love to decorate for Halloween. I love to have guests over for Halloween. In fact, take a look. I have like little plastic spiders, and you know what those are? Those are the spiders that I bought on Amazon last year for my Halloween party. I had a big get together with my friends. I bought a whole bunch of decorations, and I just decorated my living room. And we had a wonderful time together. Friends brought, different themed food, and it was fun and a little spooky, but mostly just fun and lots of laughs. And we even had a costume competition, so it was all good. So looking at this box, I'm pretty excited because hopefully I'll be able to use it to maybe create party invitations, or I don't know, maybe like gift tags. Maybe I'll do some like gift boxes or like goodie bags for my friends when they come over for my Halloween party. I'm very excited, and I cannot wait to dive in and start creating. So this is a look at the Hero Arts HEROWeen 13 days of crafty treats Advent calendar or surprise box. You can find a link to this product in my video description below. And as always, thanks so much for spending your part of your day with me. Love you guys, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.